Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get these gorgeous jumbo braids with curly tips. Right, first things first, I am just unraveling my hair to show you how big my sections are. You can go bigger if you want, but in total I have about 24 pieces on my hair. This hairstyle is so quick and so easy to do. I'm going to moisturize my hair just to prep it a little bit, and then I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is the rubber band method, where I just section out the hair and just hold it in place. I already braided because I was doing the braiding technique, but I realized that the rubber band method holds the hair together very neatly. It really helps if you don't really know how to braid. And this other technique, which is just braiding, either way, we are going to be looping the extension through it with crochet. So these are like crochet braids, and I think it's really helpful if you are still struggling to grip braids for yourself. All right, we're going to pre-stretched hair because listen, it's this or nothing. Also, how do you like my nails? I love them so much. Anyway, moving on to these super time saving extensions. I'm grabbing big pieces and I'm going to twist that because, like I said, I'm going to be looping it through my crochet. So I want like a nice, pull with my pin. Honestly, if you know where I can get bigger pins from, let me know because, yeah, it's a little bit, you have one of those days, but practice makes perfect. You know what I say? Anyway, loop that through, separated the hair into 3 pieces, and I'm braiding down as loose as I can. And I'm just going to open it up some more just so that I give the hair more volume and it just looks thicker than it actually is. I love braids, man. Let me know if you're team braids or not in the comments below. I'm going to show you this last one in very close up. Twisting it around again. I'm going to loop it through and I'm going to pull it at the back of my hair, and then after that I'm going to braid it down, separate it into 3 pieces and braid it down as loose as possible. 1, 2, 3. I'm also braiding with my hair in the middle, and I'm going to do my best to tuck it underneath the extension, underneath my braids. And I'm going to braid like normal. Can you see how thick they are? Love it. Love it. I was going for that whole boho feel. They're supposed to be messy. Check out this tutorial where I show you how to get smaller braids. The other tutorial is the knotless braids. Huh, can I talk? Alright, I'm going to just section the hair into 3 pieces and I'm going to curl the tips, which is my favorite part of this hairstyle. Curling away from my face in the first one. And then for the one behind, I'm just going to curl underneath and just, together. Secure that, and I'm going to do it on the other side too, and just curl underneath too. I wanted the curls to go in different directions, and I was going for the weave extension type thing. Now, you know the drill: moisturize, trim, soak it in hot water, etc. Let me know in the comments the longest time you've ever spent on braids, and tell me the shortest time you've ever spent on braids. My shortest braiding hairstyle is always these jumbo hairstyles. It doesn't take time. What you see me doing there is pulling the hair while it's still hot, just so that I can loosen the curls some more and just give it a little bit of form, pulling it and just forming it like at this very early stage. And we're done. You see that very big piece of hair? I was going to redo it, but I thought to myself, like, that's the point of this hairstyle. You're supposed to be as abstract as you want it to be. So yeah, put on some makeup, put on an outfit, and I'm feeling myself. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up, and share with your friends. Bye!